All right, here's the challenge for today is to see how much stuff I can get for 20 bucks. So let's see what we can find and go around this place and see what this does and how many items we can get away with. Yeah, I try not to spend too much.
Oh yeah, sure. I heard that.
Okay, you know where I can go Wednesday and Thursday over there? Olores,
Could you,
a la casa.
I'm trying to see, could you go to 10 on this one?
Go ahead.
Yeah, all right, I'll do it.
Just for you.
Just for me.
Yes, for you.
Yeah.
That make you feel good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right. There's the change, 10 bucks. Very interesting. What the heck is this? Let's see how much it costs.
180.
180?
180.
Cool.
So take a picture is free.
I hope so. What about your
Same price, 180. Tomorrow everything.
syringes? Look at this long thing. I don't even know what this is. Some kind of cooker. Nothing here. The carpenters. Gateway 19 volts. Vintage backpack. That's kind of cool. All right, the challenge was to see how much we can get for less than 20 bucks. So I'm done. We found some stuff. So let's go through it. First thing we found was this Arccaptain foot pedal. They're used for, I believe, welding machines, and it's brand new in the box with all the accessories. 10 bucks. So we should be able to flip that one pretty good. The second thing we found is this Polaroid SX70 camera. This thing is in white. It's not in really good shape because it's got some kind of powdery stuff on it. I think that's normal, but I don't know. I don't even know if it works, but people still collect these, sometimes even buy it for parts. So I think it's worth something. Bought it for $5. And then the last thing we found is the Adidas backpack. I found it in that pile of clothes. I don't normally look for clothes, but we found it. This is a vintage item with the Adidas logo. It's got some marks, but hey, who cares? I think we can get something out of it, and I only got it for $2, so that's pretty much it. So let's total that up. That's $17, and I still got $3 left. So I think that was a good challenge. $17, and let's see what we can turn it around for. So anyway, I hope you liked that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's the Swap Me Flip Challenge. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? All right, I'll see you guys on the next video.